Hi, this is my voice from Chanter Nano Microfon. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Volume set to medium. Okey, sekarang ni kita cakap dalam bahasa Melayu. Ini adalah suara percubaan daripada Chanter Nano Microfon. Percubaan suara testing 1 2 3. Percubaan suara testing 1 2 3 6 5 6 bla 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 bla. Volume set to maximum. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Bla 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 bla. Press this button for unmute the microphone. Press this button for change your color and rotate left and right for adjust the microphone sensitivity. This microphone have high quality chip, can processing dual audio at the same time. One audio come from your PC and one audio come from your voice. Very easy to use. Just plug and play. This for your headphone volume. And last, this is 3.5 audio jack for plug in your headphone. Okay? Thanks for watching my video and see you again in next time video.